Ever wondered how far a mile really is in kilometers? The answer is simple. 1 mile equals approximately 1.609 kilometers. So why the difference? The mile is part of the imperial system, mainly used in the US and UK, while kilometers belong to the metric system used almost everywhere else. To put it in perspective, if you run a 1-mile track, you've covered just over 1.6 kilometers, slightly longer than a 1,500-meter race. In the US, road signs and speed limits use miles, but in Europe, Asia, and most of the world, it's all in kilometers. To convert miles to kilometers, just multiply the miles by 1.609. For example, 5 miles equals about 8.045 kilometers, and to convert kilometers to miles, divide by 1.609. So 10 kilometers is roughly 6.2 miles. These conversions come in handy when you're traveling, running, biking, or using apps like Google Maps or Strava. Fun fact, the word mile comes from the Latin mil passus, meaning 1,000 paces, used by Roman soldiers. So remember, 1 mile equals 1.609 kilometers. Keep this in mind next time you're traveling or tracking your fitness. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick facts that make you smarter.